There is no turning back. What should I start?
If I would do it again,
I need to cover this hole. Shit. Добро утро. Още един day with Данчето. Today we are in the bathroom, as you see. I stay at home at the moment. Felix is sleeping. I don't know how long we're gonna have, but Mama William project. I already started, but I'm gonna show you what I'm up to. The other day, bumped. So the project is to do ремонт. Why not? We stay in this flat for nearly 6 years. No, 5 years and a bit. And before that, I don't know how many years, like more, like 5 years also, they didn't refurbish anything. And the bathroom, it got a little disgusting. First of all, I started with putting a new silicone in the bathtub. I used this type of silicone, and I put it on the corner like this, there, because it got dark and nasty, and also here like this. I just wiped like with the finger. These little details are not that hard to make. We're renting and we don't know yet how long we're gonna stay here, and why to not make clean and nice in the place you live, even if it's not yours. Valentin is at work, and I like actually this kind of projects. Yeah, I'm gonna Dakta, God bless you. he got us he gave us this paint, so the walls would be painted also in this color. Crazy, huh? I can't wait actually. So all now is beige, and all of these walls would be in this color. I started to basically the project started with this bar here on the bathtub. It got very soft and it was peeling. I removed it and I put it in a hallway for now. There, look at that. Ужас. I need to sand it, and first we were thinking to buy another one, but they're quite pricey, but they're selling like plastic also, but at the same time we're wondering if we're not gonna get in trouble that we changed stuff. And if it's done properly, it's gonna be fine with just paint and sand. Gonna hold us for 5 more years, who knows. So the project now is to remove everything, and I'm gonna start with painting the walls, but first I need to cover this hole somehow. There are 2 of them. I'm gonna remove first this, and I don't have other stuff, then probably gonna use this silicone and just like wipe it slightly, put it in the hole, and gonna dry, and maybe it's gonna even. Okay, до започва the big project. Okay, I got the silicone and I'm gonna squeeze in the holes to cover the holes. So before that, here was a place for hanging the towels, and I wanted to put gonna take a while. I wanted to put this shelf and I couldn't, didn't have space. So I'm gonna do it without the camera. Then I'm gonna show you what I did. So it doesn't work. I decided to put on top masking tape. Like it's this type of paper tape. At least it's gonna cover the hole and it will not be that visible after painting on top. Look how it looks. You see? And I'll remove this with a knife kinda around. Let's see. Okay, I got this type of scalpel and just gonna go make it uneven somehow. Okay. I start painting. First I'm gonna paint on these holes. Let's see. You can see it. Anyway, there will be the shelf behind. That's not good. Don't like it. What can I do? This is not good. I'm gonna remove it. Felix did receipt. He was like, what's going on again? What's going on again? I didn't do anything, basically. What did I do? What did I start? There is no turning back, but I didn't do anything. Gonna do it together, baby. He really likes this camera. He wants it. If I don't give him, he's gonna cry. Look at him. Wait, I'm gonna close it, okay? Okay, I have another idea. You wouldn't believe how much stuff I got from when I studied graphic design and I did arts and crafts and stuff. I have this spatula, and to cover these holes, it came to my mind I can do glue, PVA glue, and flour. Mix it, and then with spatula cover that. Let's see if it works. We put a little glue already, and then I think I need more. Okay, I have another idea. You wouldn't believe how much stuff I got from when I studied graphic design, and I did arts and crafts and stuff. I have this spatula, and to cover these holes, it came to my mind I can do gonna do that and then leave it to dry and then sand. You know, I have this peeled paint, and I'm gonna do this to even the area. When I grow up, my parents, they were always in refurbishment because they built the house by themselves. I learned many things because my dad and also mom, they like to do everything themselves. And when I have a sister, she is 5 years older than me, and when they lived 5 years with the parents of my dad, then they moved to their house. They were still building it. I was born, so I woke up. I was born in refurbishment, and you know, especially Moldavian people, there is, when they're doing their house, there is always place for improvement, and everything that is breaking down, they're fixing by themselves. Not that's why they're in like when they're going abroad, they're working this type of jobs, constructions, refurbishment, all of this construction. Most of the jobs are taken by Moldavian and in general Eastern European, because like we are skilled people, we are handy people. E ca așa, babi. Așa facem reparații. Trebuie de luat another one, da? You're gonna learn to do refurbishment, no? You're gonna be very skilled boy. Oh, fuck! Ce buci, băi? La picioarele mele, băi. Okay. Wow. Look what I did. It splashes. Huh? There is no turning back. Okay. Are you ready? So this much I could do because he is very cranky and he wants attention. Right. Let's show baby. Woo! I don't know how I'm gonna do their up. I put basically masking tape on the corners, edges like that. Anyway, it's gonna need to be 2 layers, but it's nice. It's nice. It gives a very good contrast. It was very plain bathroom, and I like it to be more, at least one room to be more different. You happy now? You happy now? I hope it's not gonna be ugly, because by piece to paint, and it dries and then it sticks. Okay, let's see. Let's continue in a bit. I put a table to reach the corners there, to put the masking tape and to paint. Probably now I'm gonna start this wall. I don't know although how I'm gonna paint on top of the bath there. How I'm gonna reach that. Anyway, we'll figure it out. На работу! So I put a masking tape on top, and I had this thing. It's good for the corners and the small details. Look how nice. I actually already did some mistakes. If I would do it again, I wouldn't start with the front wall, because I'm not experienced, and you know, you would do mistakes in the beginning, and don't start it with first wall. That would be first that is seen when you enter, and start with the corners first, then go with the big one. But I was so excited that I wanted to make it all, to paint it all at once. Anyway, it's alright. He fall asleep in the kishta, finally, for the second time. I don't know. This is the progress. I'm going around the corners now, because after that, to be easier to go with a bigger valik, how is it called? Roller. So I'm going with this, like on the corners, and it's very nice because it's a sponge and can enter in the holes. I hope the big roller doesn't dry. Shit. I need to put some foil on it. I did something bad. Basically, I put masking tape until here, and there it's the white part here. Oh, look. Ужас. I need to wipe it maybe now, and then to paint with white. Fuck. just woke up. Okay, I did a bad mistake. This is peeling off. Look at that. And this is staying a little, but I think I need to put something else. Wait, Dana, experimenting all the time. You know, there are two type of people. The ones that asking before they do, and the one that do and then learning from what they did, from their mistakes. I'm the second, obviously. You know what? I have another idea. Have this clay, you know, the one that you're molding sculptures, and I can mix it a little bit with water and do it with this. I have to find it first. Let's see. Now with the experiments, I'm gonna go and buy this for the holes, because I couldn't find the clay, and we have shop nearby. Why do I do this? Why do I wanna just do with what I have, kind of? It's no good idea all the time. Okay, I got this. Called polyfiller. It's for filling all the cracks. I think I'm gonna squeeze it first outside, and then with the spatula gonna fill it. How to do it? Okay, it's done, and then I'm gonna, after it dries, I'm gonna how to skin it. Okay. That's a happy child. I hope I inspire you for a little makeover. That's why not? Wow, that's so cool. That's a good activity, huh? You don't have to pay anyone to do some classes or go to the gym. Who needs that? All the work is under our nose, no? When I'm gonna put the second layer, it's gonna look better. Like it's gonna look even. I hope so. My God, I'm getting there. Getting there. Getting there. Whoa! That's straight away a dark. Look at this. Oh my god. Wow.
Wow. Babes?
Another
Ей,
time I
tu e
impress him.
живота, бе, човек. Жена ти да прави тези работи. Гледай. Аз стоям на работа и по едно време съм с един клиент, обаче нали, имах малко време и гледам сторито, и гледам на Дана сторито. Нашата качила почнала да бойдисва. И поканам на клиентата ми, виж клиентката и поканам, гледай тия Дана какво прави моята жена. Няма какво да прави с беби, обаче решава да... Извиня, did you put the tape on that or later just because you...
Mommy, do you like it?
It's very... It looks like a hotel bathroom.
Look at this big dark wall.
Добре, да, как? Стигна до там, бе, жена.
This?
Ma, it's dangerous. Don't do this without me.
What you gonna do if you're here?
Ще те нося.
Да. A little bit more. Oh.
То тя аз ти целувам, бе. I'm sending
wants
him kiss.
No, he wants this camera. Ah. Little
Well
cute.
done, babes. Oh, you fixed the hole.
Yeah, I was out and I
Okay.
got this.
I like it, babes. I like it. Hold on.
Да. Wow.
Just-
I can't wait to see how it looks at the end.
I have a feeling that this one here that it
Has to be
says...
beige.
Yeah, because if we do it the same color as this, it's gonna be too much. Listen, you know what? We can buy a green one. We can... Може да купим зелена боя, babes.
Like dark green.
Dark green. This one to be dark green because you see this is more like brownish,
Да.
more earthy. Because imagine this, значи представи си и той цялото е такова и той тук е такова същото. Няма да ти
I agree.
хареса.
I agree. You're very clever.
Engineer? How much? We're gonna get a smaller
Да,
marker.
We have a black boya if you...
No. Не, черна няма, смисъл. It's too much.
Да.
Зелена.
Agree, babes.
Браво, well done. Good job. I approve. Моята жена. Дай, ти продължай да работиш, аз да си гледам сина.
He wants to play with this.
Ей, много го обичам.
Nearly done. Look at that. So it's a bit only left. I did the corners. I was scared that I'm not gonna reach there. Because look, it's actually very tall. And I could balance on the bathtub. The hardest part was to do the corners and to stick the masking tape. Now I'm waiting for these patches to dry and then to sand it. And to finish up all first layer and then the second layer. I think it's gonna be a two parts video because we have to do this also. And I'm not sure what color we're gonna do. You know, this board that I showed before. either white or green, or the same color. Can you write in the comments actually what do you think? So like this forest green, white or the same color? I'm very confused. Valentin says green. I said white, but like the bathtub, I'm not sure. And then the second part, we're gonna do this and decorate, and it's gonna be nice. I'll finish up, show you all the room, how it looks, and then I'm gonna finish. Mommy, look! Look! Do you like it? Do you like it? Wow! Да? Wow! So, the pre-final look. I finished there, and everything. It's chocolatey. Chocolatey. This is, what color is this actually? It has a little rose in it. It's a rose. Valentine saying a little bit of shitty rose. Yeah, chocolate rose, kinda. Look.
Wow, you're very fake.
Valentine say that I'm fake.
Huh?
I don't know, I can't. This is how I speak in camera.
Very.
No!
Oh my god, he's like this shitty color. Oopie.
I don't know. I'm comfortable with camera, but not until the point when I'm not at all.
Felixakis. How he's like Baron.
Oh, he's holding his leg. I wanted to show also these holes. I covered them. It's a bit darker because it has to dry, but it's okay. It's better than nothing. It's better than flour and glue. So I'll see you in the next episode. Yeah? With the decoration and this thing down. Look. Here, as I said. The почва.